Now let's see this problem. In this figure, ABCD is a rectangle in which length is twice its breadth. H and G divide the line CD into 3 equal parts. Similarly, points E and F trisect the line AB. A circle is circumscribed by a square PQRS which passes through the points E, F, G, H. Find the ratio of area of circle to the rectangle. Now here friends, we have to find out the area of circle and area of rectangle. We have to find out the ratio. Now when a circle circumscribe a square, then diagonal of the square, right, whether we talk about SQ or PR, diagonal of the square is nothing but the diameter of the circle, right? So precisely we have to find out the diameter of this square, diagonal of this square. Okay, so first of all, what I assume here, it is given that the length is twice its breadth, right? So what I do, and these are the points of trisection, H and G, these are the point of trisection. So DH is equal to HG is equal to GC. So I assume this to be X, this to be X, and this to be X, right? So DH is X, HG is X, and GC is X. That means the total length is 3X. That means this must be 3X by 2 because length is twice its breadth. So length is 3X, breadth is twice X. Okay. Now what? We know the area of this rectangle, that is 3x into 3x by 2. Now we have to find out the area of this circle. For that we need to find diagonal of the square, right? Now diagonal of the square, that is, I just draw a fair line. Now diagonal makes this complete angle is 90 degrees, so this angle must be 45 degree. So, and apart from that, this figure is symmetric. So from this point H to G, the length is X. That means this length, that is, this length must be X by 2. Right? Now this angle is 45 degree and this triangle is similar to this triangle. That means this angle must also be also 45 degree. Right? Now if it is 45 degree, this has to be 90 degree. If it is 45 degree, this will also be 45 degree. That means if it is X by 2, this length will also be of X by 2. Right? I suppose this point to be say M. Right? So SM is X by 2 because HM is equal to SM since both the angles are of 45 degree. Right? So this length is X by 2. Now from this point to this point, the total length, the height or the length, what we can say is 3x by 2 from this point to this point. That is nothing but the breadth of the rectangle. Right? Again, figure is symmetric. So this length will be equal to this length, right? This is the middle line of the rectangle. So the total length is 3x by 2. That means from this point to this point, it must be 3x by 4. Right? So from this point to this point, the total length is x by 2 plus 3x by 4. Or we can say 2x by 4 plus 3x by 4, that is 5x by 4. That is the length from this point to this point. That means the total length of the diagonal will be 2 times this, right? This is what the diameter of the circle, right? So radius of the circle will be this only, 5x by 4. Now we have to find out the area of circle and rectangle. So radius of the circle we have got. So area will be pi into 5x into 5x, pi r square. So it is pi r square, right? And area of rectangle is 3x into 3x by 2. 3x into 3x by 2. Right? Cancel x, 2, 2. So this is 5 into 5, 25 pi by 3 3s are 9, 9 8s are 72. So 25 is to 72. That is the ratio of area of circle to rectangle. Okay, so that was pretty simple. You can see hardly any paperwork is required. The problem is literally conceptual. Okay.